Hello, I'm Elton Williams, and I'm with Smith & Williams Personal Injury Lawyers. You can check out our website. Please do, smithandwilliamslaw.com. I want to talk to you a little bit this afternoon about police reports and what you do when you get the police report and shock, the wrong information is on the police report. What can you do about it? Well, this is kind of important because what I want you to know is these accident cases and whether or not you have a case, that rises and falls on the police report. The reporting officer who responded to the scene is considered the accident reconstruction expert, and their word is almost golden. So if you get a report and the officer has said something against you and it's not true, then you want to know what you can do. You can always go to the police department and leave a message for the officer to call you if the officer's not there, to discuss the report with the officer and to try to get the officer to make the corrections. Better yet, if you can go to the intersection and take a video or a picture of the intersection and then explain your point of view to the officer in an email. You can call the police department and you can get the officer's information, their email address, and you can send them a video, you can send them still pictures and try to explain why the information in the report is incorrect. That is something that is sometimes helpful. What's not helpful is if you've told the officer that you had the green light, but there's a witness, for example, who said you had the red light, and now you want the officer to flip-flop and say something else. That probably isn't going to work. But in terms of errors about the direction of travel of the cars, what street you were coming from, how many cars were in front of you, behind you, something like that, you can usually get those corrected, and you might want to give it a try. Again, my name's Elton Williams. I'm with Smith & Williams Personal Injury Attorneys. You can check us out at smithandwilliamslaw.com, and I thank you for spending this time with me this afternoon.